Hello, I'm Mrs. Cavazos and I'm doing a quick tutorial video on We Three Kings Rock for Viola. You're using strings that you normally haven't used yet. So you're using G and C strings. The melody is starting at 21. You're starting not on B on the A string. If you look, the note is lower, so it's B on the G string. So you're doing B, B, A, G, G. You're gonna go down to the E on the C string and then F sharp. And then you're going to 25, it's the same thing. B, B, A, G, G, E, F sharp, G. So it goes, again, down into the E and then F sharp. Don't go right on like a major finger pattern on the blue tape. You're going to an F sharp, not an F natural. So again, it goes second finger. If you are in your perfect playing position, you'll be able to leave your third finger there on, if you can see the little tunnel, there you are. If you're a flat finger, you won't be able to play your G and then go straight back. You need to have your fingers nice and curved. So hopefully that helps you out on the melody. That's 21 to 29. And then you start going to lower notes at 43. So you have your G, G, and then you're gonna go down to your D note, which is here, back to D, and then E. So at 43 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 47 is the exact same thing, but that low note you have, instead of being your open D string, you're doing first finger C, D string. And everything else should be pretty familiar. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a super awesome day, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody.